this video, we'll take a look at how you can use third-party external tools in Canvas pages. It's always best practice to add your page within the module that you're wanting it to be included. So if we take a look, our external tools are located at our plug or the apps here. You can see that there are some tools that I use often that come up right away. We can also click View All to see all tools that are available. So in this video, for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and click on Google Drive, and we'll pull in a slideshow that we want to share with our students. So we can pull in a slideshow, or we can pull in a document. Anything that we have in Google Drive, we can pull in using this tool. And now you can see that Google Slides has come in to our page, and students are able to click through from slide to slide. If I click Save, you can get a better idea of what it looks like for the student. And you can see right here at the bottom, the student can go between the slides or use their arrow keys or mouse to move through those slides. Let's take a look at one more tool, just to show that you can bring in multiple external tools. So I put my cursor at the end of this Google Slides and pressed enter a couple times. Now I'm going to go back to the external tool, and again we can view all and see what kind of content we can bring in. A great video platform that we have available in the district is Learn360, and this has a lot of educational videos that you can bring in. As a tip, I would say that you may want to search for those videos prior to coming in and adding them in your external tool. That way you will have been able to narrow it down. But let's say this is the video that I want. I would click embed. I'm going to embed it medium size. And now you can see that video is available to my students to watch right here within the page. So it's a place where I'm just communicating information to them. And that is how you can bring in external tools within a Canvas page.